Hello, guys. So, I just like to let you know today's the day. If you have not learned about how to make rules from this server, well, if so, you're going to learn about how to make rules. Now, if you guys don't know how to make rules, here's how you simply do. Now, if you don't know how to make rules in your server as well improvement, well, first of all, I want you to click on here. Okay, so now all you have to do is click on server settings, rules, and then make sure that everyone does not get the administrator, because if you do that, then that's not gonna happen to you. Only to make sure it's muted. For this one, I'm gonna be the leader. You can make yourself any rule you want as long as your rules are okay. If you, for example, this is a moderator, so I can access them to be the administrator to see how they're doing. And if you choose a member, you can use it. Use it as an example. So make sure you wide along and make sure the member is pro. If you want me6bot, I also use me6bot to use more. So all you have to do is press the plus sign that says create a rule. This one is the view server rule. If you click on that, that's gonna view you as server, and then you might be able. If I click on that, it'll say you're viewing this server as one rule. And then I'm going to disable it too because I don't want to view the rule for you. So I'm going to go to my server settings, rules, and then I add a rule and then be the leader fam. So that's how you, if you guys don't know, just repeat the video and then I will help you out during the week. Now remember, if you're trying to everyone, do not try to do that because if you ping everyone, then that's going to be a problem. Only a moderator can like this, power bones and helpers. Earth. Thanks for watching.